What is grayscale image? Grayscale image is a type of digital image where every pixel carries a single value representing intensity or brightness. So it is a type of digital image. When we talk about image, we normally have row and column, which define the size of the image, how many rows and how many columns. And one dot in that image is called a pixel, and this pixel has values. So in terms of grayscale image, the pixel has values representing intensity or brightness. So pixel has presenting intensity or brightness. So this is an example of grayscale image. This is basically a keyboard. And let's say this is a 8-bit image. So because of that, the intensity or brightness ranges from 0 to 255. So this is the possible values of a pixel in one 8-bit grayscale image. where 0 means black, 255 value means white, and the rest of the values representing shades of gray. So this example 8-bit grayscale image has 256 shades of gray. Now let's use MATLAB to visualize the grayscale image. Let's say I already have the keyboard image in my computer, and I use the image read command in MATLAB to read the JPEG format image, and this command will read the file and put the values in matrix A. Okay, so this is the matrix A. So we can see all the pixel values. At this part of the image, we can see the values 32, 30, 35, representing the brightness of or the intensity. Let's check how many columns this image has. Looks like this image has 1024 columns. How about the number of rows? Well, it seems that this image has 767 number of row and 1024 number of column, and we can use another MATLAB command image show to read the values in A and visualize this, of course, as a grayscale image. That's all. Thank you very much.